Hi guys, this is Digigibi and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's episode, I am going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using your mobile phone. But first, if you are new to my channel, hit like, click the subscribe button and notification bell for you to get notification every time I am uploading a new video. Alright, now on to the topic. When you're creating videos for YouTube, you might think that the thumbnail is not important, or as long as the content is good, the thumbnail doesn't matter. Well, think again. A video thumbnail is the first thing that viewers see when browsing through YouTube. This can either grab people's attentions or lets the people scroll on by. So, what you're going to do or what you're gonna do? You need a thumbnail that grabs the eye and communicate what your video is about in just one glance. You need to make them think that they need to watch your video. For me, as a newbie in YouTube world, designing an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail helps improve my channel brands, and also attract visitors and more eyes to my content. So how do I create my YouTube thumbnails? I am using my mobile phone and making thumbnails because most of the time it is more accessible than my laptop. And I am using this mobile app called Canva. Disclaimer guys, this is not a sponsored video. How I wish. Now, what is Canva? Okay, Canva is a graphic platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. What do I like about Canva? Well, first, Canva is available on the web and mobile, which means I have the option depending on what is more accessible to me or depending on my mood. Kasi nga, mood swing, diba? And second, Canva integrates millions of images, fonts, templates, and illustration. Ang dami doon, guys. Ang dami yung pagpipilian. And then third, in Canva, I can create my thumbnail or Instagram post through drag and drop interface. Ganun kasimple. Drag and drop lang. And then, pang-apat, the best part is Canva is free. Well, you can choose the paid subscription, the Canva Pro and the Canva for Enterprises, which offers additional functionality. Pero, whatever. But for me, I want the free one. It's okay for me. I don't need the too much functionality or too much features. And yeah, that is the few reasons why I am using Canva. Now, how do I make the thumbnails in Canva? If you want to know how, watch this. That's how easy to use Canva in making a YouTube thumbnail. Now, if you like this kind of video, click the like button 100 times and comment down below kung gusto nyo pang magkaroon ng tutorial na kagaya nito. And nga pala guys, don't forget, meron nga pala akong social media. May Facebook page po ako, meron din po akong Instagram, and meron din po akong Twitter. So like and follow me guys. Okay, and time for shoutout. Okay, isa-shoutout ko lang yung napakabait kong kaibigan na si Lay Diamante. Hello, and also Wrestle Lahay. Meron po silang YouTube channel. You can check the description box. Nandun po yung link ng mga channel nila. Ayun, so this is the end of our video for today. Again, this is Digigibi. Keep safe and bye!